What's up, guys? It's me, Captain Everything Fun, and today I just wanted to show you guys some of my fidget toys. The rest are somewhere else. I don't know where they are, but yeah. Alright, so first we've got this one. It's got this little ball that you can spin around, or you can just spin it like that, sort of like a budget fidget spinner. And then we've got this one, which is like a big metal ring with a bunch of small metal rings. And then we've got this one, which is, I don't know really how to explain it, but it does this. And then there's this one, kind of like loops in on itself, I guess. And then there's this one that you can just turn round and around and around and around. And finally, we've got this little flamingo that goes from rainbow to silver. And back to rainbow. It's sequins. Now, I'm going to take my blindfold right here. I'm going to put on my blindfold. I'm going to mix my fidgets around. And I'm going to try to guess them. I think, yeah, this is the one where like, it goes like, ooh, kind of like waves. Yep. Did I get that right? Yep, I did. Okay. This is no doubt the flamingo that turns from rainbow to silver and back to rainbow again. But for science, let's find out. Yep, this is definitely the rainbow one. Alright. I could probably easily tell, so this is really just for fun. This is the big ring that has a bunch of small rings around it. Yep. And okay, I was just making sure my recording was still going. Yeah, no doubt this is the one with the little ball in the middle. And lastly, well, yeah, it's the last one, so you can guess which one it is. I got it all correct. Oh yeah, I forgot about the one that loops in on itself. Well, oops. Anywho, yeah, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye, guys. It was pretty easy to guess which one was which. That's pretty obvious.